I'm re-wearing one of my favorite outfits today. It is my Sangeet outfit and just look how beautiful this is. I need to get ready today for two weddings. So come, let's get ready together. Let's go. It looks so stunning, you guys. I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm just going to add some orange coral blush. I really want to add some shimmer on my eyes, so I'm using this beautiful Tipsy Beauty eyeshadow. This lipstick is literally made for this outfit. The lipstick just looks so beautiful. Quickly straightening my hair with this straightening brush. Honestly, I just know how to straighten my hair and I'm just going to do that and call it a day. Going in with these earrings. Carrying this clutch because it matches my earrings. This also has a dupatta, so I'm just going to carry it like this. And this is the finished look.